Hey everybody, welcome back to Good to Know. Today is Sunday and that means it's our drawing day, and we're doing a drawing today to give away the Clean Master car vac. I love that thing. It fits so nicely in my car, and we only had 2 people enter the drawing, and all you have to do to be able to enter is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment with the magic words in there. So we had 2 entrants, and you guys each obviously have a 50-50 chance of winning. We're going to go down to John, and he's going to use the YouTube randomizer, and it will automatically select one of you 2 for being the winner. If you are the winner, please send us a private message with your email address so that we can contact you, and you need to send that to chefjohnthemarine at gmail.com. Message to chefjohnthemarine at gmail.com, and that's all one word, no spaces, no dots, no anything. chefjohnthemarine at gmail.com. Leave us your particulars, the address you would like the shipment delivered to, and we will get with Amazon and have it drop shipped to you. Please leave in the subject line car vac winner my address or something similar so that we can pick it out. We get a lot of emails on that account, and just put in there, you know, I'm the winner, something like that, and we will know exactly who you are and we'll get back to you. So on to the drawing. I'm excited.
Yay.
It's our first one. Okay, I'll never do that again.
Okay, I've already entered the 2 names in here, the 2 contestants who get to go. Rebecca's going to hit that little start button with the mouse, and it's going to generate some names. They're going to flip and flop around, and then one will come up to the winner. Ready, go. There goes, there they go.
Shouldn't take that long.
And the winner is
FenrisRising.
Rising, all right.
You have how many days?
You got 1 week.
1 week.
From today, so next Sunday.
Next Sunday, if we don't have your email, then there will...
We're not doing another drawing. We're just going to give it to the other contestant.
And that's it. FenrisRising, send us that email to chefjohnthemarine at gmail.com, or if you prefer, you can just go ahead and leave your contact info in the comments below, but I wouldn't recommend putting it that public.
Yep. All right, we're going to do an ending here, and congratulations. Hope y'all enjoyed that. It was fun. I always like giving stuff away. Always. She's saying, are you giving stuff away again? Yes, we are.
So congratulations, FenrisRising. I can't say that enough. I like that.
Yeah. So, yeah, keep coming back. We hope we get some more people. And these items, there could be any item we give away. It could be electronics.
It could be a can of,
it
you
could
know,
be food,
water chestnuts.
It could be anything. We've done...
But it will never be an empty Ziploc bag.
No.
Never.
But we've done so much that we've done electronics. We've done kitchen items.
Reviews.
Yeah, reviews, but now we want to start. We're
Sharing.
doing so. We're not a big channel and we're not monetized, but we still want to start giving back to our subscribers and hoping to build a bigger channel. So if you please share us with everybody you know, and tell them, hey man, they're giving away free stuff over there.
And ring that bell. That way you know when we post a new video that has a giveaway. Which, as a matter of fact, we're giving away something else.
Our new video is up today. It's a set of black flatware, 2 different spoons, which is 4. There's 20 pieces.
So there's 2 sets of spoons.
Which 4 of each.
2
sets of forks, 4 of each, and a set of table knives.
4 knives. They're beautiful.
Beautiful black.
Go
oh
check
man,
it out.
that is so I mean, it's just different from your regular shiny silver. This is shiny black.
We liked it so well, we're getting rid of our plain silver
Yeah,
ones.
and
we're getting a second set so that we have plenty of black tableware. I love it.
Yeah.
So go check us out over there.
And you may win again. You may win again. We don't care how often you win because we're not picking the names. The computer's doing it. So.
And don't forget to check us out on our cooking channel, and that's called CastIronSkilletkitchen over here on YouTube.
Sometimes we give stuff away there too.
Yep.
We do.
And don't forget to check us out on Roku. We're also called CastIronSkilletkitchen over there, but we don't give anything away over there.
All right, again, congratulations, and thank both of y'all for just leaving a comment and watching.
We appreciate your support.
Go sign up for the next one that's up right now. I think, what's the magic word for that? I don't remember. Oh, I think I put black flatware.
Black flatware.
I think that's it. All right, so go check that out, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye. Happy Sunday.
Please subscribe, share us on social media. Please come back.
Tell everybody.